It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. How good is AI at real science? So, we've all heard the pitch AI is going to design the drugs, and it's going to run the lab, and then it's going to replace the people in the white coats. And OpenAI built a test to find out how possible this was, and then it graded its own homework. And you can guess how this is going to end up, and you'd actually be wrong. OpenAI called it LifeSciBench. It's 750 research tasks written by 173 scientists with PhDs, which is the kind of people who actually do this work for a living. These are not trivia questions that you can just go Google the answer. This is real research. Read the figures, interpret the data, design the next experiment. Then OpenAI pointed its best science model at it, a model they named GPT Rosalind. I did have to look up, and I apologize for this, who Rosalind Franklin was. It turns out she actually did most of the work on DNA and got almost none of the credit. It's a really interesting thing to name your AI after. Bold. So the whole point was to see how close the machine got to what the scientist got. And here's the answer. The best AI passes about one science task in three. OpenAI's own model, the one built specifically to do this cool thing, cleared roughly 36%, and every other frontier model did worse than that. Google's Gemini landed around 24%, Grok, bless their hearts, came in near 13%. So the smartest AIs on the planet, including this one, aimed at the exact work it was made to do, graded by the company who came up with the standard, fails about 2 out of every 3 real research tasks. And the part that I respect actually is the honesty. OpenAI sells the dream that AI is about to automate the experts, and then OpenAI published a number that says, actually, we're not there yet. So the model is great at answering a question in plain text, but the moment you hand it a real figure or a messy data file, the actual job part of the job, it falls apart, dropping from about 45% down to about 28%. And that gap pretty much typifies AI right now. It's good enough to sound like an expert, and it's not good enough to be one yet. We have seen real progress, but AI is a long way from being a robot scientist. So the next time someone tells you that AI is replacing the experts, what would happen if you just asked them to show you the score? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.